garlic, the sauce, Arabic food, and our. For today is Mariam. She's from Philippines, of course.
Hi.
Hi. The mic is here.
Good agad?
Yeah. Your food will share, will not be shared.
Yes. And there's
We
no
don't
one
like
also
sharing.
for share.
We don't like sharing, of course.
And we don't have man also for share.
Di and Mandy. First is, what do you value most in a friendship?
Oh my God. Parang naisipin ko, ano di ba mama?
Yes, you need to answer that. Where in Joy's talk? Joy's vlog. So first, what do you value most in a friendship? Value. Di ba kasagot? Ano yun?
For me,
Ayun. Ay, ang sarap ng pagkain nila. What do you
ang
value?
dami naman yan.
Yes.
And all of that, I'm gonna
Yes,
answer.
20.
Oh,
Let's see.
no.
What do you value most in a friendship? Okay, what do you value most? Kasi international tayo eh. Charot.
For me, I value like our companion. Like we're together for a long time, you know, and how you trust me and how I trust you. You know, trust for me is very important for the relationship as a friend. And what is it? Yeah, it's like that. You should do trust and loyalty as a friend. And
Okay.
and understand for each other. You know?
So you
Yeah,
value-
it's belong to the trust already.
You value for the trust.
Yeah, my value the most is trust. Even the relationship like boyfriend and girlfriend is the same thing. You know? Trust is the important. If I have a friend like it's also time, you know, if he spend the time for me, like I'm gonna value for this and I appreciate for all those efforts. Same like my friends right now beside me. She never forgot me. She asked me to join with her, and this is you know, I treasure as a kind of friends like this, and I really appreciate.
Thank you. And then, let's value it. So number 2, how do you handle misunderstanding with your friends? You can ask me again also.
Alright, how to handle the misunderstanding?
With your friends.
Misunderstanding, just to start explaining, listening to each other. We should to explain each other and listen and acceptance. You know. Acceptance. If I made mistake, I will admit it and I will say sorry. Of course. And we should explain each other what's the reason. And for sure, for me, I have the open-minded and I'm willing to listen. And I hope my friends also will willing to listen for my explanation also. And for sure, we have a good result if we understand each other.
How's the food?
It's really delicious. I like this, the Mazbi. They call it Mazbi, but this is charcoal. Right? But for you, this is Mandi. Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday,
Yeah, I
Tuesday,
like it. It's my favorite.
But for
But
me,
take it to try.
I tried it already, but I prefer this charcoal.
So, because you are my guest now, that's why. You're my guest. So you have an answer. Okay, number 3. What makes someone a trustworthy friend to you?
That is for you.
Yeah, this one.
Answer.
What makes someone a trustworthy friend to you?
You answer that.
Then-
I'm done already.
I said I prepare all this question and you will gonna answer. If you're done your answer, I will answer.
No.
I'm going to ask. Enjoy our
Okay, what makes someone a trustworthy friend to you?
When I have a secret and she keep it between us because I said this is a secret. I trust her to share it. So that's what friends to be worth it. Because that's secret just between of us, not to spread to someone else.
Yeah, exactly.
This trust and
Yes.
also no
You
secret.
should to treasure, that kind of friends. If someone trusts you, you should to value it.
Yes.
You are lucky because lots of people around the world, but you are the one.
Yeah.
She chose you, or I chose her to share
To
my
share your
secret.
story,
Yeah.
to share your secret. So
So
you
you
don't have to spread to
Yeah, you should
everywhere
to value this.
to anyone that
Yeah.
she's like, you know,
Yeah,
because
all
that's
the
why-
negative, positive.
Yes.
This,
what friends are for.
yeah, best friends about it's also like trust.
She shared to you the story, the secret, because she trusts you.
It's the same question, how important is honesty is in a friendship relationship. It's the same thing what.
Very important, the honesty. Because if you just lie in front of person, then it's just only like fake friends, right? If you are really a reality being who you are, or sharing something like, okay, you have an opinion, and you share with your opinion to your friend, and then just it's like it's up to you if you will take or not, take it or leave it. This is very important, the honesty. Because why you are friends with her? Because she trusts you and she wants you to be the friends of you. That's why very important. Next. So please just put the bell and go. Yeah, it's nice, the sambusa.
It's Indian food, right?
Arabic. Arabic food is not Indian.
Samosa is from Taiwan.
Arabic. This is
Arabic
it.
food.
Look, Marathi. The Marathi restaurant.
I don't know.
Marathi restaurant.
I thought the samosa is Indian food. Okay.
There is an Indian.
What is your favorite memory with your best friend? Oh my god. This question is a nice question. What is your favorite?
Okay, but you first answer.
What is your favorite memory with your best friend? Oh, favorite memory. When we are on the bar. When we are at, we have like, we're dancing, like no one judge. And our friendship, me and her, we are really open, We don't judge each other. We enjoy. We enjoy, like we're planning to go to the bar, and then our plan is we go to the bar to enjoy, not to play, not to
Not
flirt.
to gossiping.
Yeah, not to gossip, but not to just to check each other like
Yeah, how she is.
how's that?
This
And then
is
describe
the-
her. This is what I like. We are happy with each other and support each other. This is the memory that I can't forget, and I treasure of it.
Yeah, me
Yeah.
too.
This is the best thing for me.
Okay, next. How do you support your friendship during difficult times?
During difficult time, it's not mean the difficult time if we don't have money. It's not only the regarding the money, not only the money. Excuse me. difficult times, like maybe he has a personal problem or love life problem, broken hearted. Like time, if you have time, just to be with her and just listen and give some advice if he likes and comfort her and enjoy, just to listen what's her drama. This is the for me.
What quality do you look for a long-term friendship? What qualities do you look for a long-term?
Actually, for me, I don't look I'm that kind of person that I don't judge the people. I don't judge. Like from beginning, of course, we are stranger. All of us will meet exactly from stranger. We don't know each other. We don't really know each other. But if you are good to me, I will treat you same how you treat me. If I don't know, like we have a instinct, if this first impression, if I see the person, like even I don't know her, but there's something like I like her, like my instinct, and I'm comfort to be with her like this. Like I like her to be my friend, and I don't like I don't want this because she's like this. I don't have a problem. Whoever you are, whatever you are, even you don't have or what you are alone or you are same like me. I don't have anything. Same like me. I want my friend like will accept me who I am. Same like that. So I don't judge. I don't have really preference to have a friends because all of us we started as strangers. That's it. Even you are nothing, even you're from I don't think. Like they say,
If you are rich or a poor, or you don't care about it.
I don't care about this.
As
long
long
as
as you are
yeah,
a good person,
good person, and
worthy person.
that's it.
How do you balance friendship and personal space? Me, you need to do the time management. Of course, personal is really a serious matter, but if that is friendship, what is friendship is? If you have a problem, you will share about your personal problem because you trust her or him. That's the matter of why you have a friend. So for me, is that's the friendship is. For you, what's for you? How do you balance friendship and personal space?
Same also.
Not every time, yeah.
Yeah.
Not every time you are with
Yeah.
them. Even you are far each other, but you're still connected.
Yeah.
With the
It's-
messages, calls, how are you?
Even you are with each other, even there's no message, like you still friends. You don't need to be when you are together always as beautiful like friendship.
Yeah, not always every day, or even you're far away each other. You have still connected.
Yeah.
So next, what lesson have you learned from a friendship? What lesson do you learn? Yes. What lesson have you learned from a friendship?
I learned a lot. So I learned a lot from those. I experienced lots of friends like they drive me. They're not good for me, but from those experience and I learned a lot. So you will know who is the friendship will stay by my side, and I will be there. I will be with them. Those people who stay by my side and understand me, accept me who I am. That's it. And I learned. When you say I learned a lot. I don't want to say something, but but
Okay,
you know what I mean.
Okay, for me. For me is how do I learn from a friendship? What lesson? Yes. What lesson have you learned from friendship? For me,
Lesson.
because I have a different friends that I have, so there is some misunderstanding. There is fighting. There is but if you really if you really talk face to face and it will be okay. And that's the lesson that you would not be do again, because there is a scenario that you will not understand, and every time that she will share some of words to you, and then you get hurt, and then that's the reason why your friendship is broke, and then you must be learn about that if you really value the
Yeah.
friendship,
Exactly. Mm.
Yes. So that's what I am. So next, what does a healthy friendship relationship mean to you? Yeah, what
Happy.
does a healthy friendship relationship mean to you?
Healthy relationship, they are happy and stay longer, and as I said, is we trust each other. That makes healthy relationship. That makes longer term for relationship as a friend. We
Yeah.
should trust each other. If someone says to you bad, or for any friends, like say gossiping from other person, right? You should to directly come to me and talk to me directly. You should to talk each other, so to understand and explain what each other. Explain, At least we protect our friendship.
Yeah.
Yeah, we protect and
Yeah, this was
yeah.
the healthy friendship.
Healthy friendship is we understand each other,
Yes.
This is the most important. Understand.
It's mean to you.
Yeah.
So understanding.
Strong. Strong. Because for me, I don't want a big friend. I don't want, like, if someone says negative, and then she will listen. So it's like she didn't value me. So I don't like. Honestly, I don't like weak friend. I don't need those friend, because I want my friend, like, whatever they say, he's still in his mind. She kept in his mind, or he or she. Like, I want to listen from her. I don't want to listen. Like, you should to listen both sides, not only one side, to keep the friendship strong.
Okay, yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
So next is, how do you show appreciation to your friendship? How do you appreciate?
So
How do you show?
every time, if I'm with my friends, I really appreciate for them, and I'm happy to be with them. Or, like, if I'm happy, whatever I have, I'm gonna share with them, because I'm really happy. I appreciate, like, because not all the time we're together. So if ever we are together, like, I have to make some, like, I have to do effort. I have to do effort, at least to make them happy. Or even I don't have money, or we are going somewhere, or at least in the small things, we will eat outside, very simple. And I spend my time with them. That is the appreciation I can show them. Like, I'm very happy, and I appreciate and pleasure for it.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me is yes, like what we did now.
Yeah, what's that, spending time with each
Yes,
other.
what we did now. This is how you show your friendship is, how you appreciate it.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes, this is what we are.
Same what she did for me. Like, she invited me. She wanted to join with me. And
Yeah, that's it.
I'm happy for this. This is what friends we need,
Yeah.
right?
So even you cannot friendship is just give and take. It's not about like, oh, you always do this. Of course, give and take.
Give and take.
Yeah, because is friendship. It's not only relationship with the boy and man. It's the
And
same.
we don't
Relationship with the girls also with a friendship that you who you trust is how you show your appreciation.
Yeah,
Is that the way she is? This is the way that she's shown. Not only that
Yes,
she
yes.
she like that.
Yeah,
she
yeah,
like
exactly. And this is the kind of relationship we have now. Like we don't need also to say like okay like this and because we know each other already.
Mhm.
We don't need to talk to each other like okay you do first you do like this no because we understand each other. And like for example she do effort, I must do effort so also like that. I'm not promising the when is it but I put this in my heart or in my mind like I have to do some plan. And he's like, I want to also invite her something like this. This is
Okay.
what I like, kind of relationship.
Okay, next question. Do you believe? Wait. What is one thing that can break a friendship for you? What is one thing that can break
Number one
a
is
friendship for you?
like like the bird. Like the bird is like the bird flying. It can fly in the high, but if the bird have
It don't have
broken
wings,
in the
yeah.
wings, it cannot fly directly. That is like saying like if someone broke my trust, whatever like me even say sorry or what, and then we become okay. Already there's even like glass, the glass. If the glass is broken and then you fix it, you still have the crack. So for me
there's a
really is the
history.
trust is very important. Trust is very important.
Yes, for me also it's like you know, what is one thing can break a friendship for me is when you trust someone and then you think that she's my friend. Of course, because I share about it. My personal problem, I share about what is really the matters, and then when she tell to everyone and she cheat me behind my back, she tells something like, this is the friendship can break to me,
Yeah.
you know. So that's it. So how do you rebuild trust after our argument with a friend? For me, how do you rebuild trust after an argument with a friend?
I don't know. I don't. Honestly, I don't know.
Why you don't know?
Maybe you will say, but because as I said, like if you have already the issue, if break already, if someone broke already my trust, it's not easy to rebuild the trust again. I don't know because I'm this kind of person like I don't know my mind maybe I'm crazy. I will really put that in my heart that someone broke me or and soon I will not trust him. I don't know. Only God I can trust. Because since you have a issue, how I will trust you again, right? It's not easy. So I don't know. The answer I don't know. I don't know because it's never happened like I trust again and then again let's keep repeating the same mistake.
For me,
Mm.
for me is
It's not easy.
is how to rebuild trust after argument. Never again.
See?
Sorry, sorry because
I don't know.
sorry, but because this is really the reality of being a friendship. If from the beginning, if she do like this, then why you need to trust again? It seems like
So I don't know what to
boyfriend and girlfriend. He cheated on you, and then you always giving a chance, but still the same. So friendship is still the same also. This is because you build the relationship of friendship, and then you broke on that, and you want to you do something like okay, we can say accept, sorry, but if you say revolt, no, I cannot trust and again
Exactly.
because
Same.
she do from the beginning. Why should I trust it? Then she did not value the friendship what we are like that for me.
Yeah.
Yes. So that's it. That's for me. Never again.
Never again. For me, I
Yeah.
don't know how to trust. The same thing.
Never again.
I don't know. I don't know how to trust again.
Okay, so our next, go ahead for the next question. What role does communication play in friendship?
Communication.
What do you think? For me, it's just like sending message. How are you? Calling. This
The
is
same what you said earlier. It's not much like to
Yeah.
be with them.
how are you?
together.
How's life going on?
Yeah.
Are you okay there? You're still birthing.
Celebrations are
What's
alive.
happening to you? Did you find your husband already?
Not yet.
That's it. You just
Still
go,
searching.
"Oh."
Still
By the way,
searching.
we're single.
Still searching.
We're single and ready to mingle. Yes. We're next.
Do you think we can find her old already?
We're not only the numbers. Only the Carabao will be old. We're still young.
What is this Carabao? You're
Carabao.
something than Carabao.
Carabao is the Carabao's moo. How do your friends motivate or inspire you?
Inspire me.
Yes.
Please. Of course, you should to motivate your friend. Whatever he experiences bad or he feels a lot of
Struggle.
struggle, you should to motivate him.
Yeah.
Maybe she will do suicide. You need to be with her. You need to motivate her that life is beautiful, you know.
Yeah.
Life is beautiful. I will just do like this.
Yeah, you don't have to be give up, you know?
Yeah,
We're
life is
still,
beautiful.
we're broken, but we're not, giving up.
Yeah.
Because we know that
Motivate
one day
each
it's-
other is very
yes.
important.
God-
It's like I am.
God will provide.
You are already like, oh, what happened to your parents? Same like me. If I have some struggle in life, I have like one day I cannot sleep, I cannot eat, like I'm just lying on the bed, but I have to get up and then motivate. Even me, I motivate myself, and I will check myself in the mirror. Why look ugly? Get up! Not like this. Life is beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, same.
Yeah,
As
don't give
motivate
up.
also my friend. Okay, you need to be like, oh, sexy, beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Who you
Balik.
are, who they like this, like.
In the Tagalog, what is that? Balik alindog.
Balik alindog. Yeah,
Yes,
listen to be
balik
positive as always.
alindog. Yeah.
Positive always.
Okay, it's same like, what is the funniest moment you had with your friend?
Yeah, moment like
The
this,
moment
and then
when we
we're
are-
talking like every time we feel from the boyfriends.
Yes,
Boyfriends.
boyfriends.
Funny moments,
Ex.
yeah, ex.
It's not a boyfriend. I don't have boyfriend. I'm single
Yeah.
and just an ex. We're just talking like
When we are sharing
But-
each other the craziness time,
Yeah.
craziness moment, and all those
Yeah.
you know,
Just like that.
it's like this.
Alright, so next, so how do you know if someone is a real friend? You first.
Oh.
How do you know if someone is a real friend?
Like trust. If I say
So
something,
how do you know? For you.
For you, how I know. If you are still there with me, no matter what I am, you know, I mean, no matter what happened, no, whoever I am, necessarily I will know that my friend is again with me. So I have to treasure with it, and I really want, you know, to value, yes, value, respect, you know, because if the friends is with bad something about me, goodbye. Same like also like boyfriend and girlfriend. It's goodbye.
Yeah, for me, if 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 I have a boyfriend and he's like a snake, no way.
Number one, I hate that.
This
It's
is-
really happened with me.
This is a fake friendship.
It's not
Once, yes,
Yeah.
because there is one circle of a friend that you are knowing each other, and then you are
It's
sharing
happened.
something. Yeah, it's sharing that you share about boyfriends, what happened,
Yeah, it's
and
happened
then yeah, it's happened to you. See, this is a fake friendship. Because why? She did not respect you. She did not even value your friendship because why why she
It's
goes
not
to
all
this guy that you aren't ready with her, with
It's
him,
not all.
and she gets this guy, and there's nothing in respect, right?
That's
As
not.
being a woman, of course, we are valued.
Respect each other.
Yes, the respect, because this is how the way we are Philippines, but not all women. It's the same way that we are. But this is the very, you know, the, this is the first one that you can see the real friend if she is really true to you. Yeah. So
Same.
that's it. So what activities do you enjoy doing most with your friends? Like this. Go looking for the guy.
Looking for husband.
We're looking for the husband. Much mentality, what we gonna do? Oh, this is we're the same, what we gonna do? Okay. So this is really the enjoyment of activities. So last question. If you could describe your friendship in one word, what would it be and why? Oh, this is the last, huh? Okay. For
In
you,
one word.
if you could describe your friendship in one word, what would it be and why?
Oh my god.
One word only and why?
For me, it's gold. Yeah.
Why?
Gold is has a value for me.
Mhm.
Yeah. Gold is you know, it's a value for me. That is, you have to take care for your friends. Same how you take care for your accessories like your gold. If
Mhm.
someone steal it, you will fight for it. So this word is as a for me is my friend is like a gold. What gold?
Gold. What gold?
Gold, not fake.
Okay.
You know, not fake, not silver.
It's gold.
It's a real gold.
Mm.
24 karat.
Okay, for me, watch.
24
Watch.
karat.
Bagay niyo yan, ah. It's material.
Mm.
Watch, because watch is always important.
Yeah.
Time, management, and also you can always see the watch that, oh, I need to remind myself that I have a friendship, I have a friend.
So
But
you
not
want
really necessarily that you can call every time, but sometimes like that. So watch is very important. Time.
time.
Yes, not only friendship but for the life.
Alright.
Yes, so we enjoying. This is the last question. We enjoying, and we did not use this.
It's okay.
That
We
is
just need to
it's
focus
the
on this.
lecture. So, guys, thank you for joining us to watch this video, and hopefully you will learn from your side also. And if you are relate of this video, then comment down below how is it for you, your friendship is, and what is the value of being a friendship with your friend. See you! Bye! See you in my next video. Bye bye bye.
Bye.